Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are doing an unboxing that I already unboxed because I couldn't wait. So, let's get into the video. Alright guys, here's the unboxing. I already unboxed it like I said, but so I got this open housing ESCO camera for the chest mount. So basically it's just a open housing thing for these cameras so you guys are going to be able to hear me better. So yeah, the microphone will be more exposed, and it's easy to hear me. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Just kidding, guys. We got the GoPro Hero 7 in white. Yay. I also got an open housing case for that too. It's right here with the blue. Look at this. This is the coolest blue little knob. I guess that's what you could call it. Nice light blue. But yeah, this GoPro is sick. Should I turn it on? Wait, there's me right there. Alright, yeah. This GoPro has a ton of features on it. Hopefully, so I already could tell, the sound quality is going to shoot through the roof. The video quality is going to go up. This thing's waterproof by itself. I just want to find out if you could take this side panel off. Right here, because I need it so I could charge it if I wanted to. Alright guys, back to the GoPro. Sorry, I took a little break there. I was just playing around in all the settings because there is so many settings. And little did I know is that you can control your GoPro with your phone. You control the GoPro with your phone. So I'm gonna get it set up right here. Okay, I'm gonna click Control GoPro right here. Clicking it. Let's see something. So. Whenever it connects. And I can record from here now. Pretty cool, right? I think so. That's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. So like, I don't even know, if someone was, say if you're like snorkeling or something, someone's gonna go like they're stuck on a boat and you're like in that area, pretty sure they could just watch from the boat seeing what you're seeing. Now that's pretty sick. Alright guys, I know this was a super short video, but thanks for watching. I had to post a video out there. Got the GoPro. More videos coming soon. Better videos. Go up my quality. I'm gonna do my best. See you guys later.